Nana attend for all. Now it's there.
Imagine if we were all to take the law into our own hands. Chaos! That is why there's a rule of law. It leads to peace and sanity. Yes, you can effect a citizen's arrest, but it must be devoid of any violence, except which is necessary to restrain the individual until the police take action. Don't take the law into your own hands, my fellow Ghanaians. Respect the law. Be your brother's keeper.
Yes. Be your brother's keeper. Let's stop violence. Be your brother's keeper. Away from the mama. Keep on clapping. Away, come back. Keep on clapping. Stop violence. Be a good citizen. Munya or my papa.
Ben,
you say that sound? What voice in the camera? Voice in the camera. What do you want? Voice in the camera. Okay. Yeah, good. All right. Now we're going to the camera. Okay, that's it.